get back to the podcast. Marty's here with us this time, which we're all really thrilled about. Anyways, this is what Marty and I do on rain days. Apparently, we don't take rain days. So we're gonna go do 2 small jobs. Got a hedge to do for a regular customer, and then birch tree that failed. So we gotta go do for a regular customer because it's raining out, which you'll find out later. But anyways, we'll see you at the end of the first job.
If it was this one, that would have been better.
So this is what happens when I don't pre-look at these jobs, because I don't think I'm doing this day. I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. But that's our tree. But it is much bigger than we thought. See, I thought there was a smaller one back there. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Huh.
But yeah, we're gonna have to do this. I'm probably gonna have to do this tomorrow. All right, this is a job we're actually gonna do. We've got a hedge. Been here a few times. Marty removed that last year. But we got this hedge here. We just gotta touch the sides a little bit, bring down the top. Pretty straightforward. My big rope. Wait, I put rope. Yeah, put it on my.
Huh. I feel like that every time you send this to the
I know. I'm sending the different pictures trying to see
Gardener didn't want to do this.
You wonder why I didn't? I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a good ladder fan either.
Yeah.
Wait, how am I looking for evenness?
It reminds me of my dad, who could do anything by himself. He was the most amazing man. Okay, thank you.
Sounds good. Thanks, Betsy.